So along with lovely headlight rings, we have these. Let's have a look in the box. Now let's just unwrap these and we have a look. Now I was going to order the cheap ones, but these were actually decent ones. I think they were like £80. They come with all the nice connections. And then obviously on the back of the light of this connection, you have one wire is for the indicators and the other wire is for your low beams. I think it is one or the other. There is a switch that connects into this behind the light in the bowl, and then one of these needs to go down to the indicator. But yeah, they're a really nice design, and hopefully they go on the Mini and they make it much better, much brighter and neater. So let's get these on these. Now, because it is pitch black outside, these are going to be put on tomorrow. So are these windshield wiper rubbers, because mine are cracked as shit. So we'll get these on tomorrow. Headlights going in here, new car, jam jar. Let's get these done. From this to new. That's it for now with the Mini. The headlights look really cool. They are sunk in a bit. I'm going to try and get like a different bowl, maybe take these off, fit them to that, bring them out a little bit. But they look so much better when it's dark out. Indicators are good, headlights are good, low beams, high beams. So I'm happy. Just waiting on my front lip off John and my spoiler off John, and that's a good one. Also, we have other pieces ordered for the Mini, so make sure hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, y'all. Subscribe. See you in the next one.